Hi everyone! It's another video from my series What Inspires Me? And today I will be talking about my favorite fairy tale illustrator. You know that my preferred type of coloring books is illustration to stories and fairy tales, and that's how I found Scott Gustafson. In my opinion, he is the best contemporary illustrator of classical fairy tales. Scott Gustafson is an American illustrator from Chicago. He started his career as a cartoonist and illustrator and then switched to become a full-time artist, and he also wrote a book about Eddie. It's a fictional story about young years of Edgar Allan Poe. When he worked as illustrator and cartoonist, he mostly used gouache paints, acrylic, and watercolors. But when he started to do full-size paintings, he switched to oil. Most of his paintings feature fantasy or fairy tale characters. He also illustrated nursery rhymes or Christmas stories. For me, his works is a perfect example of illustration. I love everything here. I love composition. I love how detailed they are. I love how he works with color that usually you can find perfect balance between warm and cold colors. Everything is very detailed, but you can easily find main characters of each painting, and I can find many inspiring ideas for my future coloring in all my books which have fairy tale subjects. Recently, he also illustrated Alice in Wonderland, and again I think that his illustrations are amazing. In the end, I will leave you a link to his official site where you can find examples of all his paintings.